Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Guys, today I'm going to share an authentic recipe of Chinese chili sauce. For this, we'll be needing half cup of whole red chilies. I always tell the benefits of things that I use in my video. So these red chilies are a great source of vitamin C. First of all, we'll boil some water in a pan, and when the water is boiled, we'll put the whole red chilies in the water and let it boil for some time. This is how it looks after boiling. Let it cool down. Now we need a piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. This is our whole red chilies after being boiled and then cooled. And now we strain the chilies in the strainer. It's time for the things to be blended together. We put the whole red chilies, then we add ginger garlic, and we add some water to it so that it can be blended perfectly. Blend it properly. You can see it has formed a paste-like consistency now. Blend until smooth. Heat half cup of oil in a saucepan. Now pour the blended chili paste into the oil and fry it. You can see it has started to sizzle. So aromatic it is. Just like when you enter to some Chinese restaurant, the smell coming from their kitchens, just like that. Keep frying, guys. I'm absolutely enjoying making this chili sauce and can't wait to eat it with my favorite Chinese food. Okay, now we'll add 3 teaspoons of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of white vinegar. We'll keep stirring and frying. Keep doing that. It looks great and it smells amazing. Can you see how it is sizzling in the pan and how tempting it looks? So now, as you can see in the video, that the oil is being separated from the sauce. Guys, our sauce is almost ready now, and we are gonna transfer it to a glass bowl. Guys, you definitely need to try this recipe, and when you do that, please do give your valuable feedback in the comment section. And if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.